Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Habib. I am a student of the Industry Polytechnic Atmi Cikarang, and my major in Mechatronica Engineering Technology. I am in my second years. Uh, and this project, I create a system to measure AC electrical energy using an ESP and energy meter module and a PGM sensor. The ESP retrieves voltage, current, power, and the energy data from the energy meter through serial communication. This system allows real-time monitoring of electrical use and can be developed into an IoT-based monitoring platform. I will explain the project wiring. Uh, the AC power from the mains enters through through the through the line and neutral wires. The line wire goes into the energy meter module that continues to the lamp. The neutral wire goes directly to the lamp. The ZT sensor climbs around the line wire to measure the current. The ZT positive output connects to the current input of the module. The ZT negative output to connect to the negative input of the module. The module communicates with the ESP32 using pin TX, RX, and ground wires. Pin TX of the module goes to pin RX of the ESP. Pin RX of the module goes to TX of the ESP. ground of the both devices must be connected together. The USB receives power from fin and ground. A red wire carries the positive voltage and a black wire is used for ground. The AC power flow to the line through through the module. The sensor measure the current. The module read the voltage, and the ESP receive the data fin TX and RX. I will explain the program code part of the electric monitoring project. Uh, this include the libraries needed to use the PGM's sensor, connect to Wi-Fi, and run an async web server on the ESP, and this line store the Wi-Fi name and a password that the ESP will connect to. And then this line define the RX and TX pins that ESP used to communicate with the PGM module. And then create a web server object that listens on the port 80. creates the PGM sensor object using serial with the def- definite RX and TX pin. This line creates variable to store the measured voltage, current, power, energy, frequency, and the power factor. This line a block contains the HTML, JS, uh, and JavaScript code that build the web dashboard for displaying the sensor data. This function replaces placeholder words in the HTML with actual sensor value. The setup function initializes the serial monitor, connect the ESP to Wi-Fi, and configures the website routes. The loop continuously reads all sensor values and print them to the to to the to the serial monitor every 2 seconds. Proses pendapatan IP